MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides reliable AC fan motor repair in Pottstown, PA, helping keep your air conditioning system running efficiently and effectively. A faulty fan motor can reduce airflow, cause unusual noises, or prevent your AC system from cooling properly. Our experienced technicians quickly diagnose fan motor issues and perform professional repairs using quality parts to restore proper operation. We service all major air conditioning brands and focus on improving system performance and energy efficiency. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for dependable AC fan motor repair in Pottstown, PA, and keep your home or business cool and comfortable throughout the season. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an AC fan motor repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides AC fan motor repair in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional AC fan motor repair in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses experiencing air conditioning performance issues. The fan motor is an essential component of your HVAC system because it helps move air through the condenser and indoor system to maintain proper cooling. When the fan motor stops working correctly, the air conditioner may struggle to cool your home, produce unusual noises, or stop operating entirely. What does an AC fan motor do? An AC fan motor is responsible for powering the fans that move air through your air conditioning system. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides AC fan motor repair in Pottstown, PA for systems experiencing airflow and cooling problems. What is your AC fan motor repair in Pottstown, PA? Our AC fan motor repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://peachmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.